Hello and welcome to Advanced Navigation's unboxing video series. At Advanced Navigation, we're dedicated to pioneering high-accuracy navigation and robotics technology for the most demanding applications. Across defense, mining, marine, and aerospace, our solutions power critical operations, from autonomous platforms and precise mapping to robust positioning in extreme environments. Evaluation kits, or EKs, are designed to empower engineers like you to understand what comes in each EK, facilitate rapid setup and accelerate your test programs, enabling you to get your solutions into the field faster and with greater confidence. And with our dedicated support engineers, who are also application experts, we're committed to creating a seamless experience for you every step of the way. Welcome to our unboxing of the GNSS Compass Evaluation Kit. This video is designed to give our technical customers a comprehensive look at what's included, allowing you to quickly get started with your unit. The GNSS Compass delivers precision GNSS INS performance at an affordable cost compared to standard solutions. GNSS Compass is built for land, air, or marine applications with high accuracy navigation and low complexity requirements in mind. Key features such as integrated dual antennae, multi-protocol support, and RTK functionality provide continuous, accurate, and reliable GNSS data in the field. Let's get to the unboxing. The GNSS Compass Evaluation Kit comes in this rugged transport case. First, the heart of the kit. The GNSS Compass unit in Ethernet or serial variants. For the serial variant, the kit includes a 1 meter FTDI USB to RS-232 RS-422 cable, a 24 volt DC power supply, including international plug types, and a 20 meter serial breakout cable that gives access to all key interfaces like RS-232 or RS-422, CAN, and GPIO. IP67 rated at GNSS Compass connector mating point when fastened. Specifically, the connectors on the other side of the cable are as follows: CAN, power, I/O, primary, and auxiliary. The GNSS Compass serial variant can support NMEA 2000 protocol communication via a separate NMEA 2000 drop cable accessory. For the Ethernet variant, the kit includes a 20 meter Ethernet cable, IP67 rated at GNSS Compass connector mating point. Also, a 24 volt DC power supply, including international plug types, and a DC POE Plus injector. Lastly, all the necessary documentation is available for download through the link in the description. At Advanced Navigation, we offer comprehensive customer support. Our dedicated engineering support and application experts are readily available to assist you. We pride ourselves on fast response times and hands-on assistance throughout your entire process. Your successful integration is our priority. Don't hesitate to reach out with questions. That concludes our unboxing and overview of the evaluation kit. We hope this has provided a clear understanding of the components you'll receive to kickstart your integration and development. For more detailed specifications, documentation, or support, please visit our website or contact our sales team. Thank you for watching.